Thank you guys for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new video. And guys, a happy new year, because you're probably going to see this video after New Year's evening. So I hope you all had a really great time. And we're back here with our Road to 3K iRating series. And thank you for the major support on the last video. It was awesome again and appreciate all your comments. And today it might be one of our last MX5 videos, because as I told you guys a bit in the last videos, I'm a bit done with the Mazda MX5 class. I want to go to endurance racing, to GT4 racing. It's probably gonna be endurance racing first. So if you have any suggestions for me how to start, let me know in the comments. We're here today at Circuito de Navarra. It's a really fast circuit. It's a lot of high-speed corners, a lot of straights, a lot of hard braking zones, a lot of technical zones. So it's a kind of a mix of everything, which I really love. And yeah, today we're really close to getting to the C class. You can accomplish that by getting 4 safety rating. I'm now at 3.88, so we're really close. I'm aiming today to stay out of trouble and to go to C class, but of course you can never expect things on iRacing. Some people can crash, you can make a mistake, but that's the goal of this video. For now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the qualifying and let's see how I can do. Oh, and by the way, before I forget, I added all these things like delta, telemetry, and the minimap to give you guys some more information for me, so I can see where I improve the most time. If you like that, let me know, and if I can adjust it for your liking, let me know as well. Then I can improve it for you guys. Okay guys, we're into qualifying, getting my gloves. This is going to be very important qualifying, because I already recorded a video here, I think 2 months ago or something. And then I had a really good qualifying from P3, but then the 2 guys in front of me crashed in the corner that's coming now. It's a really tricky corner, because you're coming here with maximum speed, full speed through here. And here you have to brake uphill, and it bends a lot to the right there, as you can see. And that's really tricky with race start, especially in this relatively low iRating class of 2K. So thereby I just want to qualify as much up front as I can, because I just want to stay out of the chaos. And as I told you already guys before, that I just want to grow my safety rating to get towards endurance racing. So we just got to stay out of trouble. And still, of course, we're aiming to gain some good iRating as well. So let's see. I'm going to lock in now for this qualifying. In practice, my best lap was a 1:57.2, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I think a 1:57 low is the aim, because that's probably really competitive. So let's lock in and get some good laps in, guys. Because all the time to win is going to be in this next sector. Was a little bit careful through here, because I'm up a lot of time, and yeah, I don't want to get a track limit, because we really need to get this lap in. A little bit too wide for my liking, but it's okay. Oh, I had to lift there slightly, because I couldn't risk the off track. Nice, that was really good. Lost a little bit of time through here, but it's fine, because it's still up half a second. And of course it's really hard with cold tires to get a good lap in. So let's see, we get a 1:57.7. I think it's okay, guys. I think there was definitely more in it, but I think it's fine. I think it's quite competitive. P4, I think is good. We locked in, got a good second lap in, and now let's focus for the race start and try to stay out of trouble, guys. We're on the inside. So that's actually really good, because I want to keep the inside line, because if you're on the outside with cold tires, with the chaos, you're really vulnerable in the first corner. So let's try to stay on the inside and survive. Let's hopefully, fingers crossed for that. Okay, good start, guys.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh. Shit, carnage. I'm not sure if it was my bad, but we have to look at that. But for now, let's stay focused. He just braked so early that I think if I didn't go for it, then I would definitely got overtaken by some other guys. So he literally forced me a bit to send it there. I hope it wasn't my bad, because then I would feel bad for him. Okay guys, now just let's pull away. Hopefully no off tracks. And let them battle it out. I don't know if you guys could see there, but the guy behind me almost took me out. I swear, it's always the guys with the cars liveries. It's so annoying. Let's keep an eye on the guy behind because I don't trust him. Oh, watch out. Spinner. It happens a lot in this corner because it's really tricky when your tires are still a bit cold. So I'm happy we didn't get involved there. Oh, that was scary though. Let's try to put some pressure onto the leader. And I want to get away from this guy behind because it's really scary with driving. I don't trust him at all. A bit of a bad exit here, but because the straight here is so overpowered for a good slipstream, so that's not really good for me. It's really hard to drive because I'm trying to keep up with first place, but I gotta check my mirrors all the time. Oh wow, someone got taken out. We got a 1 second gap, so let's try to pull away with this guy. Okay guys, I think it's a great start. We're now halfway through the race, so if we can just stay in this guy's slipstream and not make any big mistakes. We set the fastest lap. Wow, of course we got slipstream. And we want to keep the safety rating, so let's try to stay focused. Alright, we're gaining. Someone is mad in the chat, saying idiot, nice. Okay, nice guys, we can follow him around. I think he's faster than me, but we have the slipstream, so that's the only reason we can stay close. And we now gotta brake slightly early into this corner, because we have more top speeds with the slipstream, of course. Okay guys, he's braking the slipstream, but for me it's totally fine. Because we're too far anyway to do something. If you want to take this win, it's still in here, I'm definitely going for it. Then we gotta stay close to attack him with slipstream in the coming lap. So let's try to not make any major mistake by then. I don't know why he does that. Insanely braking the slipstream and now he's scooped. Brake on time. I think he feels the pressure. That's good. We gotta put up a mega next sector. Oh my god. Oh, felt the car sliding. Yeah, I think we're too far away, but you never know. We could make a mistake. It was a bad lap for me. This guy is weaving like crazy. Yeah, no. Unless he makes a mistake in his last corner. Oh no. GG's. Yeah, it drove really well because he was just simply faster, and even with slipstream he could stay in front of me. So GG's to Edwin Naslund. GG's. I think it was a pretty good race, guys. We were almost 5 seconds off the group behind, and of course they were battling, but nice. I think a really good race pace. We might not got the most safety rating, but we definitely gained a lot of iRating. Let's do one more race because we're really good into the race. I practice a lot, so let's do one more, guys. But really happy with this result. I forgot unfortunately to save the replay of race 1, so sorry that you guys didn't get gameplay from outside. And as you can see, there are a lot of guys with more iRating now, so we gotta stay sharp on that, because now of course the level is going to be higher, so it's gonna be tougher to now qualify more front. So we really need to lock in. I want to get a good bank lap in as well, that gives us much more rest for the second lap. And yeah, for now just let's focus and let's try to get 157.5 or lower in again. I think then we'll be competitive again. Okay, let's lock in, guys. Quite okay first banker, but you can improve a lot. Okay, so far we're exactly even, but of course you can win a lot of time in the next sector, so let's see. Went a little bit too early on throttle, but still I think it's quite okay lap time. 1/10 slower than the previous session, that's a bit of a shame. so far it wouldn't have mattered anyway, because the guys in the top 4 are crazy fast. I don't think I can keep up with them. Okay guys, P5 it is. Let's try to cut to the inside ASAP, because you guys could see in the previous video it was really crazy at the outside. But I think P5 is good. But we just gotta stay focused, survive the first lap, and then we just have to drive our laps. These guys are probably a lot faster, so we gotta remember that. But if you can follow around their slipstream, it's all good, guys. So let's focus and have a good race.
Green flag, green flag.
Good start.
Still there, hold your line. Clear. Car right. Stay on the left. There's an incident behind. Keep to the left. Clear.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Oh, what happened there? Oh, okay guys, we survived so far. That was really scary. So far P7 I'll take it, because we still have all to play for. We have some breathing space with the guys behind. They're battling, so let's try to stay with this guy here, the blue guy. I think we might have a better race pace so far. The red car is struggling a lot. Oh, there's a lot of off tracks. And the blue car is really slow towards this section. So I think if I'm closer to the next lap, then I can definitely outbrake him here easily. We can fake send him. I probably won't do anything, but let's see if he'll maybe fall for it. Whoa. Okay, we almost crashed him out there. That was not really ideal. We gotta look out for doing that. That was really dumb. But now we have some clean air. Because of course sometimes it's really hard to follow when you're really close behind. Let's now just drive our laps and don't make any mistakes. And remember guys, this is his weak corner. Because once again, I gained a lot of time through here, so we gotta keep that in mind. Oh nice, get a really good exit through here. Within 4 tenths, I think we gotta go for it.
What the fuck, man?
Car right. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Nice. Great overtake.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, somehow we created a gap of 1 second to the car behind. I don't know why. And I got the feeling that we can still take this guy in front of us, because we just have a much better race pace.
What the fuck,
Mate.
man?
What is this? What's this guy doing? What the hell?
What the fuck?
Damn, that's crazy. I think he already has like 6 off tracks or something. Let's try to keep the pressure on. Took that curb. Once again an off track, I think. Oh.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Lovely stuff. Bye bye. And now hopefully they're going to battle, so I can just pull away. Mate, fuck off.
Still there. Clear. Still there, hold your line.
This is so annoying. What are you doing, man? He's going to take me out, I swear. This guy is driving so crazy. I constantly have to check my mirrors. Ah, this fucking idiot, man. How can you even drive like this? Come on.
Car right. Clear.
He's literally like throwing the car into the corner like crazy all the time. We gotta stay calm, because if we make a big mistake, we're losing our safety rating. Fuck, that was my bad, guys. But I was just really annoyed by that guy, because he was just constantly blocking me and doing crazy shit. So normally it's not really sportive to do this. I wouldn't recommend it. Keep racing clean. It was just impossible to race that guy. It's just crazy what he's doing. Rip our safety rating again. But he just literally like sent it through every corner. How can you drive like that? That's crazy. Sorry guys, that was of course my bad, but I was just so done with him driving like that. I tried to avoid him, have a clean battle, just get that P6 in and maybe gain a little bit of safety rating. Will be nice. Nice guys, GG's. It was a nice, it's really unfortunate because it was a nice race for. Like the top group was too fast for me, but we had a really nice battle here in the midfield. But that one guy just ruined it because he was so inconsistent with tracks and losing the car and then sending it everywhere. You can't just drive like that. That's so stupid. But for now, let's look into the results. Guys, I just found out I forgot to record the replays, so you guys get the POV from outside, from the field. I literally forgot it for both races. Like how? I'm doing this for 15 weeks in a row now, uploading every week, and I forgot it. Sorry guys. But the first race, we gained 70 iRating, which is simply lovely. And we gained a lot of safety rating, only had 2 instant points. I think there were 2 of tracks, if I remember it correctly, so really happy with that. We were really competitive. As you can see here, we were 5 seconds off the group behind. Of course, there was a lot of carnage, but this was one of my best races. And I'm really happy that through this year there's a lot of improvement because I started this year with 1,200 or 1,300 iRating, really bad. But now I finally had a year where I really like trained consistently. Of course, the YouTube videos, I'm doing league races beside it. So yeah, I think we're right on track for 2026 to go for the 3K iRating. We want to grow towards that. Hopefully another class though soon instead of the MX5, but we'll see about that. So at all, yeah, I think a really solid race. So let's look into the results of the second race. I think it might be worse because of course, oh wow, it's still good. We can still gain safety rating. Oh, but no, we're still 0.05 points off of 4 safety rating because of that stupid guy that just did like crazy things in the race. Ah, that's annoying because I think if it didn't happen, we might already got it, but it is what it is. We have to do one more race. So guys, next week we do one more MX5 race and then I hope to get 4 safety rating and then we're gonna do endurance racing. Gain 6 iRating as well, which is nice. We started in P5, first ended up in P8, took it a bit careful on the start and then fall back to P6, which I'm really happy with. P5 was there, but a bit unlucky. And guys, once again, it was my bad. So always try to keep it clean on iRacing. It was a bit of my bad, but of course he was driving really weird. But I'm happy with the results. We gained 75 iRating over 2 races, which is simply lovely. Still growing towards that 3K iRating. I improved a lot this year. Thank you guys for all the major support this year. And if you made it to the end of the video, you're really a legend. I really appreciate that. I hope you all have a blessed 2026. May all your goals come true. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video next week. Ciao.